Hello, my name is Joey, and today I'm going to be showing you the app I made, the Team Profile Generator for Week 10's homework. So to start off, I'm going to go into the package.json file here, and just to give a little bit of context of the commands I'll be typing into the command line. To run tests through Jest, I'll be typing in, looks like just Jest. To start it, we have node index.js. And then I added in a delete script here because I wanted to delete the generated HTML and then make a new one all at the same time. So whenever I say npm run dev, it's going to run this delete script, and then it's going to run the start script. Okay, with that being said, let's go ahead and go into our index.js file and open up the integrated terminal. And we're just going to say npm run dev, and that's going to give us our prompts there. So with the application started, in the command line, we're going to have a series of questions. These questions are important to fill in the blanks when the HTML is generated, the file. And when we go and look at the actual cards themselves, the team profile. So for the first one here, let's just type in the name, give it a random ID. Let's do a random email. Office number, whatever. Okay. First engineer's name, let's do the name Jeremy. Another random ID. Let's do a random email as well. Okay. And then the GitHub username, we just do mine for now for demonstration purposes because the GitHub and the email fields, those all will be linkable, and it'll redirect you to either the GitHub if you click on it, or it'll open up the default email app on your device with the email to field already populated. We'll do that, and then let's skip the rest of the engineers. We'll just type in random stuff. Okay, and then for the intern, if I'm the student, I guess I'll just say my name with a random ID number. We'll do my email here, and then school name. We'll just type in C. Okay. And now all the files were written successfully, and our HTML file was generated. Now, I did run into an issue where when I opened this in the default browser, cards, it's a timing thing. I think I figured out that the cards don't all match up. So I've got these two, but let's close this out. Well, we won't close it out. Let's run it again. And we'll try it again. So, and we'll try it a little bit faster. And at email, whatever, office number, Jeremy, and email at email. And then we'll put in my GitHub again. Let's get these. And then new for the intern. And my email here. And let's see. So there's that. It deleted it, and then it made the new one. So let's go back into our generated HTML. See, I don't know if it's a timing thing, but the cards for some reason aren't all in this row. So they're all supposed to just line up. Like it has these three, the other two are supposed to be up here too. Anyway, with that aside, let me show you my cards. So we just got some basic cards. We're using Bulma as a framework for our CSS and HTML. And I've made these cards here. So in the acceptance criteria, the email, if I click on it, it's supposed to open up the email app. So let's click on mine. Okay, so it opens up our email app, and the from field is already populated, and the to field is as well. Obviously, you can change this. So I'll close that out, and then let's do the same thing for GitHub. So when I click on GitHub, it should take me to my GitHub profile. Okay, there it is, my GitHub profile. Okay. Now, last thing, for the tests, we want to see if those are if those have all passed. So we'll just do npm Jest. Maybe it's npm run jest. No. Hold on one second. The npm run test. There we go. Okay, so npm run test, and that's going to use jest. And we can see here that all of the tests have passed. And I'll just go into my test files just to show you what that code looks like as well. Look at that bigger, obviously. But there it is. That's the app. The tests have all passed. The cards are generated, although there is some funky spacing or styling going on there. I'm not sure. I can never figure that out. But thank you for listening and watching. Have a good one.